Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce with tomato paste. First, let's build our base. Begin with a 6-ounce can of good quality tomato paste. This is crucial for a deep, rich flavor. Next, incorporate 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to introduce that essential tanginess. Finally, add 1/4 cup of water to thin the mixture slightly, ensuring a smooth and pourable consistency. This combination forms the perfect foundation for your homemade sauce. Now, let's perfect the flavor profile with sweetness and spice. Gently stir in 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. This provides a lovely caramel note that balances the acidity. For a layer of savory depth, add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then, for that classic barbecue kick, incorporate 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and garlic powder. These spices are key to developing a complex and inviting aroma. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to let the flavors meld. Bring your barbecue sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This slow cooking process is vital for developing a rich, cohesive taste. Allow it to simmer for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Before removing from heat, taste, and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Once your delicious barbecue sauce has simmered to perfection, let it cool completely. This step is important before transferring it to an airtight container. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your homemade sauce will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate any meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible, homemade barbecue sauce on ribs, chicken, or anything you desire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.